Okay, so this is a bit of a traumatic one. Do you have like a learner driver horror story that you guys went through? You have? I feel like you've got one, yeah?
I drove on the wrong side of the road.
Oh my god!
Someone cut me up on a roundabout and then he followed me and called me a mong out the window.
Do you have a learner driver horror story from when you were learning?
Yeah, I've got a few.
Any horror stories you've got?
Probably not horror, but just like mounting the curb a bunch of times.
Been there.
Yeah, I've also driven on the wrong side of the road as well. So.
Oh,
No horror stories, like no like driving on the wrong side of the road, like we just go straight away. Just natural pro.
So my first instructor, that they were basically giving out, I don't know, like 10 lessons for £100 or something like that.
Yeah.
They showed up to like the first one, then met up again for the second one. After that second one, they didn't get in contact, so it basically paid 50 quid per lesson.
Have you had any horror stories so far?
Yeah, we was like in a cul-de-sac kind of area, and she's going in, and there was like a hill, where it goes into like a dip.
Oh no, did you go down the dip?
Yeah, almost.
It happened.
Yeah.
Someone did get out of their car and did try to like have a few words with me. I was
like a
driving
road rage situation.
like a road race situation. Yeah, it was on a massive roundabout, and I just remember I've never heard so many swear words come out of a man's mouth before.